I think I found Medelline's best burger. And trust me, I wasn't even looking for it. I was too busy obsessing over my new favorite drink, limonada de coco, when this spot completely ambushed my taste buds.
I'm getting ready to check this place out. Let's see what these burgers are hitting on. I'm sitting outside. It's actually about 84 degrees, and they have a little spot inside. I came early because it's a Saturday and the weather is beautiful. People are out and about, and I know people probably don't eat this early, but I'm going to, so I could get a table. Limonada de coco. I absolutely am in love with this damn drink. It has little shavings of coconut on it. Some people do shavings, some people do like coconut chunks. It has been like, again, my go-to drink. Here I am at a burger spot and I'm getting limonada de coco.
So this is the American burger. 160-gram Angus patty, that's about 5.6 ounces. This is pure beefy glory. It's stacked with crispy bacon, a double melt of cheddar and mozzarella, and these slow caramelized onions that hit you with that sweet, smoky flavor before you even lift it off the plate.
This is like a house sauce. You don't need no ketchup.
The moment I bite into this thing, it's ridiculously juicy.
Oh my God.
Like the kind of juicy that runs down your hands before you even realize it.
Good God Almighty. Good God Almighty.
The size, the flavor, the melt, everything comes together so perfectly.
Listen, this burger is so damn good.
You feel like you're eating a handcrafted masterpiece disguised as a burger.